Greetings, my name is Andre Cerizari, and this presentation is on the couplant dispenser mechanism for the mobile ultrasonic test equipment. The system architecture for the system includes the coupler to the pneumatic, shown here. This coupler has an angle offset, which allows it to modify itself to inconsistencies in the surface. Then here we have a spring cover that holds the spring in between the spring cover and the couplant guide. Inside the couplant guide we have the transducer holder. And lastly, the couplant guide is used for guiding the couplant. The dispenser mechanism works by first dispensing the couplant through a tube into the couplant dispenser. Once inside the couplant dispenser, an additional force is applied onto the system, which presses down upon this coupler, the spring cover, and the transducer. And then what that does is it presses down, forcing the couplant to spread around on the bottom of the surface, and any excess couplant goes outside of the system. Once the system is done performing a test, the spring moves the system back into place. The system requirements require that the transducer be applied with a force of no less than 0.1 pounds. The force due to the spring, that means that the force due to the spring must be less than 0.04 pounds. So this equation just is used to certify that the system will work. We have that the total force for the entire system must be 0.14, which was found in a previous presentation, which is what the current system is capable of performing. And we find that the force of the spring, the maximum force of the due to the spring has to be 0.04. And from there we can find, since we know that the maximum displacement should be 0.15 inches, we can find a stiffness. And we find that the stiffness required is a 0.26 pound per inch. And the selected spring was 0.24, which is less than 0.26, so the system should work.